Made it out here to the WMA. We slept out here last night. We camped. We have a few decoys thrown out. I found about 30 woodies in this hole yesterday. I'm sitting up on a tree, this little slough. About an hour till shooting light. We're here, we're ready, we're locked. Got all camoed up. The real big cold push coming from the north. Nerves are getting to me. I love it. It's about 15 minutes till shooting light. We're set up in the hole. Hagen's probably 20 yards down. Got our bags all covered up. Sitting up on this pin oak tree.
Dude, that's insane.
Waiting
I've
on him to
never had
come.
something like that happen, ever. I thought I got skunked this morning.
Shooting light.
Get him? I didn't even see him. Get him? Where? You get both of them? I got you. What? Oh my God. I think them guys are hunting right here.
Think so?
Yeah, for sure. You don't think you can get that woody at all?
No, I've tried 3 different times. I mean, I can get it. I'm gonna have to get it. I gotta walk somewhere along here where it shallows up.
Well, at least you killed a duck.
Yeah, we gotta get that duck probably.
Mm-hmm.
Somehow. Is there a way over there? Over there?
Not really.
How we gonna get that thing?
I really don't know.
I guess I'm gonna walk through the bank and see if I can get a close.
Let me see if I can get over there. There's so many shells along this bank the whole way down. Hagen! Hagen! Mm-mm. Focus on not grounding. It's a hen. Banded. Yeah, I definitely think it was too deep for your waders. Slaughtered them.
Stiff as a brick.
Rigor mortis. I killed him this morning. I killed him this morning. I hit him. This bird's still warm. This is our bird. I killed him this morning. Whenever I shot and they flew over here, the only two that I shot at, I was looking over there, I said, what is that? This is exactly where he flew. I didn't even think I hit him. If that ain't crazy, I don't know what it, dude. Holy shit at the Mohawk.
Yeah, I didn't even see that one.
I was looking at the ground. I said, what is that?
You want to throw them on here? You're going to have to use your hands to get across that thing.
Yeah. Dude, that's
Dude, that's actually crazy.
that's
a rock.
I looked at it and I was like, fuck it, I'll just check it out. That's exactly the flight path he took too.
I thought somebody was like talking shit.
Put it on his leg.
You was talking shit like you was like walking over here like. I was like, damn, somebody.
Dude, that's insane. I've never had something like that happen ever. I thought I got skunked this morning.
That's pretty.
That's a
crazy.
beautiful woody, dude.
It is.
Like, look at the stud. Well, I'm glad I went searching for your duck because I found mine.